welcome back, guys. I'm here with Unice again. So let's get into the packaging. I see the bag with the wig first, which we're gonna get into in a few. Got some goodies as usual. The Unice elastic headband, edge brush and comb with the extra head. I got a pair of wig caps from Unice, the HD ones, and then I got two more elastic headbands which are branded. That's everything in today's package. So let's get into the wig. So this is today's wig. Oh my gosh, so bouncy. That color job is so pretty. What I have here is Unice's Bye Bye Knots body wave 7x5 pre-cut HD lace closure wig. All right, this one is specifically the drawstring wig cap construction. All right, it's 150%, they say, with the density, but honestly it's given 200. I love that. It's 20 inches long, and this is all the space we have to work with, which is a lot for a closure wig. You guys know the vibes. Like, glueless wigs are just the go right now, and this is already pre-bleached, as I said, pre-cut and pre-plucked. Okay, it has this adjustable elastic band on the inside, and as I showed you guys, a drawstring in the back. So this is really easy and to the point to adjust. You literally just, you know, adjust the first knob to where you want it to be. Okay, and then there's a second knob that you just slide down and lock in place. I've showed you guys this before. Super easy, right? And then it won't move. Okay, and then on the inside, you just like do it in reverse to release it. On the inside, you have two adjustable straps in the back, a comb, and also, yeah, that's the only comb on inside this cap construction today, but it looks really good. Usually this type of construction is very secure on the head, especially since it's a glueless wig, so it just ensures more security when wearing this wig glueless, okay, which I absolutely love. The hair feels very soft and silky, and it's very full, so shout out to Unice for that. I'm about to go ahead and get into this very quick and easy and beginner friendly install. Let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away the piece that doesn't have any hair at all on it and has a cast, so you know we can have less of the cast, and then I'll use some powder, if anything, to blend down the rest. That's looking much better. All right, and this is a wig. Once I slip it on, it looks so good already. Like, literally you could just like go. It's already styled for you. Basically everything looks so good. I'm so excited. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys how to further secure this with the drawstring. You just get the drawstring as I showed you guys, and you secure the first knob. Then you take the second knob and lock that in place, and then I usually just take the string and push it beneath the cap. Once you're done doing that, your wig should feel even more snugged on your head than before, and it should not shift at all. It should not be shifting. So let's do a shake test. Like, perfect. Too good. And I haven't styled it. I haven't put a hot comb in there, nothing. So of course this could be your look number one. You just, you know, go ahead and rock it as is. It's already curled like exactly how I would curl my hair. Like, it's curled away from the face, and it falls beautifully. Like, what? No complaints. So there is minimal shedding. Got a few strands. It is on the coarser side because it is processed, but it's still really nice and easy to manage. So that's something to note. Oh my gosh, I love these curls so much. But yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, yeah, so now that we see look number 1, let me go ahead and give you guys option number 2. I think I'm gonna do like a half up, half down. I mean, yes, I've showed you guys a few, but I think I want to leave some pieces at the front and just gather some in the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and recurl the pieces here in the front just so that they're a little bit more, you know, bouncy, but it is so easy, right? Absolutely beginner friendly. Let's curl up the pieces in the front. Just like that, I am through. Yes, so these curls are very much matching the ones in the back because I feel like it's the similar curls. But yeah, isn't that cute? That is cute. That is cute. That is look number 2. Let me know what you guys think. So easy, so quick to the point, very beginner friendly. If you don't got all the time to be in your hair, yeah, you should definitely get you a wig like this. It is definitely a 10. I highly recommend. Really easy to style. As you guys see, you have a lot of space to work with this wig, so I think that is a plus. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link of this wig in my description box, so if you're interested in it, you can go ahead and check out my description box for all the information. If there are any discount codes, any deal, anything, it will be listed as usual. All the specifications will be there as well. Shout out to Unice for this bomb wig. You know, Unice really do have the options, you know, so shout out to them. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Hope you found this informative. If you liked it, go ahead, give me a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for more. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.